Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll walk you through how to actually use DeepSeek AI for free. If you're not familiar with DeepSeek, this is actually an AI language model that you could use inside of a chatbot that I'm going to show you. And it rivals OpenAI's o1 model. And o1 was the first reasoning model that was released from OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. Right now, it's only available to paid users, and they have a version of it that's actually $200 a month if you want unlimited access. Now, DeepSeek is free to use. You could even download it and install it locally on your computer, and you could use it on their website as well. This is from a Chinese startup, and it just got released about a few days ago here. So if you go to deepseek.com, you'll see this Start Now option right here. Free access to DeepSeek v3, and then DeepSeek R1 is going to be available here too. So it will first ask you to sign up. So just go ahead and create an account. It's completely free, and I've created my account already, so now I can actually start a chat with DeepSeek. And if you've used ChatGPT, this works exactly the same way. You type in your question or your prompt over here, and then you're going to go ahead and send it out. If you want to use the R1 reasoning model, that is this one right here. It says DeepThink R1. This will help you with reasoning problems. Now I'm going to give it this prompt that's going to require some thinking. Prove your reality is real and not a simulation. And I'll send this out here, and I won't edit this just to show you the speed of it here on this website. So what it does first is it does some thinking, just like a human would, before answering a question. And the more complicated the question, the more thinking you might do. And typically, you could just leave this minimized. You don't need to see the thinking because that is not the answer. But if you open it up, you could actually go through and see how he's thinking through the problem. And the white part here is the actual answer. All right, so it's done, and we got some pretty good results. Now, what's really interesting about this is you could combine this with search. And I'm going to go ahead and do a prompt where it's going to use DeepThink, but it's also going to have web access. This is something actually not possible inside of ChatGPT o1 model right now. Okay, so let's give it a prompt here. NVIDIA recently had a drop in share price. Is this a good time to buy? And you could see right here, found some search results. So here's a bunch of different things you found about the stock price of NVIDIA. It is based on today's date. And it's also doing his thinking at the same time over here. Very interesting, right? The combination of deep search and the web search to give you an answer that is very relevant based on today's news. All right, so this is it for today's video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving it a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.